Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this video, we'll walk you through the AI code feature. It's a tool designed to simplify coding and accelerate development. So to begin, log into your dashboard, select the AI code feature. This tool is your coding assistant capable of generating, debugging, and optimizing code in real time. So start by describing what you need in the input box here. Be specific about your requirements, such as the programming language or functionality. So, for example, I will have it write a Python function to calculate the factorial of a number. Then click Generate, and within seconds, the AI delivers accurate and functional code ready for your use in the project. You can also debug or optimize your existing code. Simply paste it in the editor and ask for suggestions or improvement. So when your code is complete, just save it to the documents section or export it directly to your development environment. Now, I use this code generator function quite frequently. Make sure that you have your code tested afterwards to make sure that it is optimized. Now, the AI code feature streamlines the development and it empowers you to focus on what matters. So log in today and see how AI Toolkit Online can transform your coding experience.